Okay, I was trying to like smooth out a bump in the back of my hair. We're not even gonna try that because I'm about to do my hair in this video. Okay, hi, I'm Leanne. If you don't know me, if you do know me and you're back, thank you so much. I'm glad to have you back. Today we are trying out 4 different ponytail helpers, assistants. I was gonna say prosthetic ponytails. That would not be right. Basically, these are 4 pretty inexpensive items I found on Amazon. I fell down a rabbit hole and they are just there to help your ponytail out. It's supposed to make your ponytail look thicker, fuller, more voluminous, just like the perfect ponytail. And I have fine hair, I have long hair, but it's fine. And I definitely don't have like the perfect ponytail. And once I saw one of them, like the little related items, it just took me on a trip and I ordered 4 different ones. They're all pretty inexpensive. I'll tell you the prices. We can go from least expensive to most expensive, and the most expensive one is like $14. So it's not bad at all. If any of these work, it will pretty much be a miracle. And I love a ponytail. I wear a ponytail to work out. I wear a ponytail when my hair is dirty and I've given up on life. Like, those are pretty much my 2 occasions for ponytails. Like, if you see me in a ponytail, you know what's going on in my life, basically. Basically, I just really need to get it together and wash my hair. Either way, I feel like everybody relates. If you've got long hair, short hair, thin hair, fine hair, even if you probably have thick hair, you might want to bump up your ponytail a little bit, give it a little bit more support, give it a little more volume, you know, whatever your issue is. I feel like we all look at our ponytails and are like, you could be doing a little bit better. And I'm not the kind of girl that's gonna like put hair extensions into my ponytail. Like, that's just too much work. And I just told you the scenarios that I actually wear a ponytail in. Like, obviously, I'm not gonna be reaching for the hair extensions. That's just not gonna happen. And it's so uncomfortable. I don't know how people do that all the time. Anyway, hopefully these are super, super easy and they work. I just realized I should probably have like my regular ponytail up right now so you can see like a control, like a before, and each one of these will be like an after. Ooh, we're gonna get so into this. It's gonna be so scientific. I'm just gonna show you what my regular ponytail looks like and my little super interesting trick that I do with my ponytail to give it a little bit more oomph and give it a little more staying power, especially when I'm working out. I pretty much do this every time I wear a ponytail, whether I'm working out or not. It's amazing and it's super easy. And I told you guys about this in my early morning workout morning routine video. I don't remember what I called that. It was like a get ready with me. It's the easiest thing in the world if you didn't see that video. So here's my little special trick in case you missed it. I just use one of these tiny little baby claw clips. You can get these anywhere. I have a million of them. And you just lift up your ponytail and clip it under the elastic right there. And somehow that does so much to keep my hair up when I'm working out, like on the treadmill. I do not pull my pony once. It's so, so, so helpful. It's just like the tiny clip and it only takes 2 seconds. It doesn't do anything like crazy to my ponytail. It does give it a little bit more oomph, but not too much. More than anything, it just keeps it up, which is really helpful for me. And it was my biggest issue when I was working out. And since it only takes 2 seconds, it's like, why not do it? So I just wanted to show you what my normal ponytail looks like so you could see kind of like a before, and each one of these items will be like the after ponytail, and we'll compare, contrast, and see if any of them are worth it. I have my doubts. Can you tell? Okay, so first on my list, going from least expensive to most expensive, this one was $5.99 and is the perfect hairstyle ponytail holder hair bump insert. This thing comes in a very small package and it looks very strange. On the outside, it's kind of covered by a sticker, but I'm assuming it says, "Give yourself a perfect ponytail and cute ball's head." And there's a before and after. Okay, let's do it. It has about 3.5 stars on Amazon. It has 119 reviews, so it has actually a lot of reviews compared to the other products that I'm gonna show you, but the reviews are mixed and the directions are ridiculous. The directions that they have here on the listing, I'll put them on screen. They kind of just don't make sense. Let's just unpack our product. It's a real silly looking. It's just like a little rubber like knob or like a really big nipple. And they also throw in a little ponytail holder with no metal on it. Apparently that's important, but yeah, it's like a little 2 for 1, $5.99. What a deal. Let's just look at these directions and do it together. So step 1, divide the braid in the middle. And she's just holding like a half up. Make sure that the top of the hair does not get mixed up. Okay. Step 2, press the ponytail aid into the braid and hold the ponytail aid while making braid. Step 3, connect your hair as usual. fix and finish the braid. Through all the instruction photos, as you can see, there is no braid involved. I don't know what's going on with these instructions, but we're gonna try to make it work because I think I understand what they're saying, even though they're using all the wrong words. It definitely feels like a man wrote these instructions. Like, you know how guys are like, they look at you in like a prom dress and they're like, I love your skirt, girl. And like, they just don't know what like basic things are. Like you've got like new bangs and they're like, what a French braid. 2 thumbs up, you know, like they're trying. That's saying a lot. They're probably not trying, but they just never got the vocabulary down and we're just having to work with it. So let's get this braid going. So she starts with a half up. I'm gonna do mine high since I like a high pony. And essentially, I think she's just putting her little stopper right under the half up and then gathering the rest of the hair up around it. Connecting my hair as usual. It's actually so small, I can almost not even feel it in my hair. I'm using their special little rubber band they included. And there we go. That was actually surprisingly easy. I thought it was gonna be kind of difficult to keep that little rubber thing corralled inside the ponytail as I formed it. And I didn't get it quite as high as I usually like it, so it definitely looks different, but hopefully you can see if it focuses, the base of the ponytail is definitely wider, and so it does give like a thicker appearance, but I don't feel like it makes a huge difference. You know what I mean? Is it just me? I'm not seeing a huge difference. And I also think for $5.99, I do think the rubber probably helps it stay in there, but I do think you could probably find something around your house for free rather than $5.99 and just put that into your ponytail and it would be easier. Like maybe like a cap or something. Like this is just like a cap off a setting spray. I feel like this is basically the same width and you could easily just put that into your ponytail and it's really lightweight. And putting the hair around it and the ponytail holder around it gives you a thicker appearance, and that's basically all you're getting with this one. Let's give it a full microwave. There you go. Overall, I think I'd give this one like a 3 stars. If that's what you were looking for, just a wider base of your ponytail, it could definitely do that, and it's relatively easy, but it doesn't do much more than that, and I'm not that impressed. Okay, let's move on to the next item. This one is $6.77, but it comes in a 2-pack, so is it more expensive or less expensive? I'm not really sure. It's called the Ponytail Bump It Up Hair Styling Comb. Did I write that down right? Not sure. So you get 2 different colors of this one, and honestly I think I got a little too excited, and this one's kind of a completely different hair product, but I'm kind of glad that I got it. Oh my gosh, this looks like it came straight out of like 1991. Like this packaging and everything, it time traveled here. The before and after is right here on the front. It's a dish hair styling tool. Okay, so it's a comb like this. It comes in black and brown, and it definitely gives you a completely different look, but we're just gonna see. Ooh, 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 this thing definitely took some of my hair with it. Wow, how did that happen? Okay, step 1 for this one is just put your hair into a ponytail, and I'm not trying to do it quite as high because this one is just a little bit different. Step 2 is to hold the ponytail straight up and place the fashion accessories through the ponytail behind the rubber band. This is a little confusing. Is it here? Which way? Maybe here. Pressing it in. Oh my goodness. I must have done this wrong. Oh, please tell me I did this wrong. You could totally see it. Okay, I've done this so wrong, right? Right? This can't be right. Maybe I need to do a lower ponytail. Like one of those straight up back of the head ponytails like in elementary school that like never did me any favors whatsoever. Not a good look. Like look at this. Hey guys. No. Somebody in the reviews of this one said they felt like I Dream of Jeannie, and like I'm waiting for it, but it's just not coming. I'm gonna try what I did before because I really do think that's what they were doing. Let's see if this comes through this time. Do, 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 do. I don't like it. This time I do think I did it right, and it was really, really easy, and maybe this is a look some people are looking for. Maybe this is the ponytail transformation some people are looking for, but me personally, this is not what I'm looking for. Although I will say, if you like this look and you're looking for something to help you like keep your ponytail in place while you're working out, I definitely think this would work. It would definitely work really, really well because this thing is like in my hair. It's like gripping my head. Like, it is not joking around. But I do think if your hair is like bouncing around a lot, you could probably actually like see the comb if your hair moved around a lot, which would be kind of awkward, I think. So I hate this one. This one's a definite no for me. I absolutely hate it, like 1 star from me. I don't feel like I Dream of Jeannie, and I'm mad about it. Is that what she did? I can't remember. Let's move on to the next one. The next one was $7.99 and it is the Mia Poofy Pony. This one had very mixed reviews. Some people really, really loved it and really found it easy to work with. Other people could not get beyond the directions. I have found it very common that the directions with all of these tools are just kind of confusing, and maybe because a lot of these things are being used inside of a ponytail, it's just hard to describe. But there was a video for this one on the Amazon listing, so that was very helpful. And I did watch that. It is a 2-piece set, and it looks kind of crazy. They give you one of these fat ponytail holders, and then this is the other device. It's like a hurricane on a weather map. Isn't that what these look like? That's what it's reminding me of. It's just kind of like a tan brown little tube with little legs. It's like a strange plastic insect, and your ponytail doesn't go through it, your ponytail goes around it. So you separate into 2 sections, then you take your Poofy Pony plastic thing, and then you put it in between the sections, and you're supposed to rotate it once to anchor it into the hair. Okay, I think it's sticking now. Okay, so now you pull your hair up around the Poofy Pony. I'm gonna use my thing because it's easier for me to work with. Okay, that is the thickest looking ponytail we have seen today. I feel like that is a success, but it was so uncomfortable doing it on yourself, trying to balance that thing in your hair without like getting crazy bumps. Like, can you see how bumpy my ponytail is? It's not good. This is not cute, but like, we definitely got some thickness in this ponytail that was not there before. So, is this a success? I can't really tell. I'm kind of like, eh. Surprisingly, it's not uncomfortable. You'd think that having a big chunk of plastic in your ponytail would be really uncomfortable, but it's not, surprisingly. Not in love with this. I think I forgot to tell you the price of this one. It is $7.99, which is not crazy, but is it worth it? Ugh, my head's starting to hurt, and I don't know if it's from doing, this is like tragically tangled. Putting this one back in the box. I don't think I'm gonna keep this. I don't think I'm that impressed. My ponytail did not turn out like this, and I wanna talk to the manager. Okay, we have one final ponytail tool. This is the Pony Popper, and it is $13.95, which means it's double the price of basically all of them. And so I've got high hopes. We're gonna see if this works. They've only got 1 photo on their Amazon listing, and the directions are kind of confusing. We're just gonna see if I can make it work. It's completely transparent like this. It definitely seems like it's better quality than the other tools, and I do like the packaging, at least like design-wise. Basically, it's just a clear plastic tube, and it has teeth on one side, and it opens up like this. We've got directions on the inside of the packaging, and it says, for a perky pony, form a small inner ponytail at the apex of the head. The apex of the head. I've never heard it called that. Okay. And then the second step is secure the pony popper teeth under the elastic of the inner ponytail, and then pull the remaining hair to the pony popper and secure the hair by placing the elastic directly over the pony popper. And then step 4, girl, you extra, pop that pony. I'm corny and I love that. So the written instructions and the drawn instructions are kind of telling a different story. The drawn instructions are showing like a ponytail like this to start with, and then you do the rest of your pony like that. But an inner pony, to me, says like a ponytail that's like this, like an inside ponytail, like a secret ponytail at my apex. And then I'm taking my pony popper And I'm gonna clamp her around the secret inside ponytail, like so. Can you see what's happening? And now I'm just gonna stand up and make this easier on myself. Gather my hair around the pony popper. That is a thick pony. Okay, I did it. All right. Oh, hello. Do you see what's happening here? Wait, can you see it? No! Did I do this so wrong? Oh my gosh, can y'all see what's happening here? I was so excited for about 2 seconds, but look, we have got a lot of volume here. We've got a thick ponytail coming through, except I've got some really short pieces up front. I have like little side bangs that I like to have, and those short layers are getting propelled upwards because of the pony popper. They're getting popped up, and you can see the pony popper device within. Okay, I don't know if you can see it. I'm trying to give you an angle where you can actually see what's going on here. I'm not sure if you can see from the back, and honestly, I don't even know if you can hear me right now. I'm sorry, I'm just trying to show you what's going on here. This thing is like completely exposed because I have short layers in the front. I guess I could have put it a little bit further back on my head to have more hair coming this way, but ultimately with my haircut, I just don't think it's meant to be, unfortunately. I was most excited about this one. I had the highest hopes for this one, and I do think it works, and I do think it could work for other people better than it's working for me right now. I will definitely say that. This one is the best one. Definitely. Hands down, this one is the best one. I'm not trying to catfish anyone with my ponytail, but like, hello, what are we doing here? Like, it's giving me good volume. I'm happy about that. But if you can see it, that's not cute, you know? Like, come on, pony popper. I don't know. Tell me, is it a deal breaker? Can you see it? It's been a long day of ponytails already. Maybe I'm being overly negative, but I can see it in the mirror in front of me. And I know if you were just like going about your life, your hair would start getting a little like out of place and stuff, and you would start to be able to actually see the plastic sticking out of your ponytail. It's not like that's like a mortifying event or anything. It's not gonna ruin your life, but I don't think that's what you're going for if you have fine hair and you're trying to find something to give you a little bit more oomph to pop your pony. Unfortunately, I really wanted to like this one. I really wanted to vouch for it. Maybe it could work on your hair. Maybe it could work if you like a lower ponytail. But since I like a high pony and I've got some layers going on, it's just not working for me. I'm sad to say it. Okay, I do not want to be completely negative, but I feel like none of these actually really worked for me. Like, they worked, but they didn't do anything spectacular. Like, they weren't worth the effort. Like, they were probably worth the like $5 or $6 they cost, but I don't think it was worth the effort, and I don't think it did anything miraculous to my ponytail. I didn't come out with like the perfect ponytail. I will say the pony popper is definitely the best one out of the bunch, but the way my hair is cut, and since I have finer hair, which most likely most people trying out these ponytail helpers would have finer hair, and that's why they're looking for help. It just kind of doesn't work. You can see the actual thing in my hair, which I think defeats the purpose, but I do notice a good difference. It's doing something. So it could definitely work for some of you guys out there, but overall, I am kind of disappointed in all of these products. It is what it is. Like, if any of you guys were ever curious about these, like, I tried it, so you don't have to. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you guys want to see next in the comments. I'm listening. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are subscribed already. Thank you so much. You are my people, and I love you. You can find me on social media everywhere. It's LeighAnnSays. I love hearing from you guys. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, everyone. Our security system is running strong. I guess it's gonna be one of those days. Let's figure something. What? Excuse me? I wanna open the window and scream. I'm gonna try not to. I'll pop my ponytail on out of here.